Stress does make pain worse, but not because the pain is in your head. Stress doesn't put the pain in your head. It raises the load on a nervous system that's already carrying too much. You already know this pattern, even if someone did not explain to you. A hard week, bad sleep, back-to-back deadlines, no time to move. And by Thursday, the pain is worse. Not because you did anything different physically, just because the week was heavier. Most people file that under stress as making it worse, and stop there, as if that's a vague, unhelpful non-answers. It's not vague, it's actually biology, and it's specific. This is the system list. Stress isn't only something you feel mentally. It's something that happens in your body. A measurable shift in hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, and it's how your nervous system regulates itself. And that load isn't only mental. Physical stress adds to the exact same system. Poor sleep, poor nutrition, and too little movement all raises the load your body is carrying, hormonally and neurologically. The same pathway that mental stress feeds into. That's the part most people miss. They think of stress and pain as two separate problems happens to overlap, or they feel like I don't feel stress. They run through the same connected system, which is why a stressful week for your body and a poorly slept week can both turn the same dial. Your body isn't broken. It's not attacking you. It's adapting to a load. And right now, the load is higher than your system's threshold for staying calm. That's the whole mechanism, not one single cause. A connected system carrying more than it currently has capacity for. So here's some practical tips. First, identify where your load is actually coming from. Before you try to manage stress, map it. Is it sleep, workload, nutrition, movement, or emotional load, or some combination? You can't reduce load you haven't identified. Secondly, build capacity. Don't chase elimination only. You're not going to eliminate all the stress from life. The goal isn't zero load. It's raising your system's capacity to carry the load you already have. Small, consistent recovery input, like sleep, movement, nervous system, downtime, mindfulness, breathing technique. Do more than trying to remove every stressor. Thirdly, calm the system before you challenge it. If your nervous system is already over threshold, add more physical challenges like exercises. On top of it tends to backfire. Bring the load down first, then build it back up step by step. That order matters. Your body isn't broken. It's not randomly attacking you. It's adapting and protecting you, carrying more load than it's currently built to handle. Calm it, then challenge it. If you want to understand where to start with your chronic pain, the 7 Unspoken Truth PDF is where to start. Link is in the description.